Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.3. In the exercise number 2.3 we have completed some of the examples, and some of the examples are remaining that are solved by yourself. And also we have completed with the exercise number 2.1 as well as 2.2. So we started with the linear equation in one variable. In the linear equation in one variable we learned some of the concepts of, that is, transpose method, and one more, that is interchanging method. And also we learn some more word problems. In this class or in this video you are going to learn, that is a new concept, that is some more application of linear equation in one variable. The example number 14 says the digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. So if the digits of two-digit number is differ by 3, if the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So here the digits of two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number, they are asking. So I consider one example to come to know what does this question says. So here I consider one example, that is 56. I consider unit digit as 6 and 10 digit as 5. So I want to equate this 56. So that is, it is 5 into 10 plus of 6 into 1. Means you can write this as 550 plus of 6. Similarly, if you interchange these two numbers, that is unit to tens and tens to 100. So just interchange this 65. 56 will become as 65 if you interchange. So this will become as 10 into 6 plus of 5 into 1, which is equals to 10 into 6 is 60 plus of 5. So this is the concept of the question. If you consider any two-digit number, that is 56 I consider. So if you interchange, you are getting their sum each is equals to 143. I take one example to understand. So 56 you can write this as 5 into 10 plus of 6 into 1. This 50 plus of 6. Similarly 65 is 10 into 6 plus of 5 into 1. That is 60 plus of 5. Okay, so here what the question says. The question says the two-digit number be differ by 3. So I consider the unit digit. So I consider the unit and tens digit as, I consider the unit digit be b and tens digit is b plus 3. Okay. So here I consider, let the unit digit be b and tens digit be b plus of 3. Let the unit digit be b and tens digit be b plus 3. Means you can write this as, that is 10 into b plus of 3 plus of b into 1. Okay, so you can write, you can multiply this inside as 10 into b is 10b plus 10 into 3 is 30 plus of b into 1 is b. Means finally you can write the answer as 10b plus b, which is equals to 11b plus of 30. Call this as equation 1. Okay, so call this as equation 1. So if you interchange this concept, so if you interchange the two digits, if you interchange the two digits, that is unit and tens, so unit digit will become as b plus of 3 and tens digit will become as b. So now if you are going to solve this, means it is 10 into b plus of b plus 3, that is into 1. So you will get this as 10b plus of b plus of 3, which is equals to, you will get this as 10b plus b, which is equals to 11b plus of 3. Call this as equation 2. Okay, so now equation 1 I got as 11b plus of 30. Equation 2 I got as 11b plus of 3. So I am going to solve here. That is, they are saying if we interchange the digits, the sum is we getting this as 143. So just add this, you can add this 11b plus of 30, 11b plus of 30 plus 11b plus of 33, 11b plus of 3, 11b plus of 3, which is equals to how much? Their sum is 143. So now 11b plus 11b, which is equals to 22b plus of 30 plus 3, which is equals to 33, which is equals to 143. Okay, so now dear students, it is 22b which is equals to 143 minus of 33. So 22b is equals to 143 minus of 33. So you will get this as 22b which is equals to 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 3 which is equals to 1. You are getting this as 110, that is 110. So now it is b is equals to 110 divided by 22. So it is 110 divided by 22 means it is 11 2s are 22. This is 11 10s are 110. So again it is 2 1s are 2 5s are. So b is equals to, you got this as 5. So b is equals to 5 means this is unit digit. So this is unit digit is 5 and tens digit we need, that is b plus of 3. So unit digit, that is 5, means b is your 5. B is equal to 5. I need now tens digit, that is b plus of 3, which is equals to 5 plus 3, which is equals to 8. So this is 58 is your 58 is your this one, that is original number. If you interchange this unit digit to tens digit, that is you will getting this as 85. If you interchange unit to tens and tens to units, so the original number you got as 58. If you interchange, you are getting this 85. So again the sum of 58 plus 85, if you do this, you are getting this as again 143. Getting this 143. I hope so you have understood this, the concept of the 2-digit number. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the one more question, that is some more applications of a linear equation in one variable. The question says example number 15, Arjun is twice old as Shreya 5 years ago. His age was 3 times Shreya age. Find their present age. So here by writing the given thing you will come to know what is the meaning of this question. So Arjun is twice old as Shreya 5 years ago. 5 years ago his age was thrice times Shreya's present. Find the present ages. Okay, times the, so let the Shreya's age, let the Shreya's age be, let the Shreya's present age, I write the present age be, that is I write x years, that is I will write x only. Okay, so let the Shreya's present age be x years. We actually don't know what is the present age of Shreya, so I write the given thing as let the Shreya's present age be x years. Next thing is let, second point, let the Arjun's present age be, I write 2x, because given in question Arjun's age is twice as old as Shreya. I consider Shreya's age as x and Arjun's present age be 2x. 5 years ago, next point, 5 years ago Shreya's age is, that is x minus 5, x minus 5. And 5 years ago, 5 years ago, that is ago, Arjun's age B, that is 2x minus of 5, 2x minus of 5. So this is the given thing in the question. Shreya's age, present age be x years, Arjun's present age is 2x, and 5 years ago Shreya age is x minus 5, and 5 years ago Arjun's age is 2x minus 5. But given in question, 5 years ago it was Shreya's, that is 5 years ago his age was 3 times Shreya's age. Means Arjun's age 5 years ago is, age was Shreya's 3 times of Shreya's age. Means here the given equation we can, according to the question says, that is Arjun's age, this Arjun's age 3 times of Shreya's age 5 years ago. Means what is the equation we can consider, that is Arjun's age. Means the question says Arjun's age 5 years ago, 5 years ago, that is thrice of Shreya's age, that is 5 years ago, 5 years ago. So this is the thing we are according to the question. So first thing, for present age is x, present Arjun's age is twice of x, 5 years ago Shreya's age is x minus 5, then 5 years ago Arjun's age is 2x minus 5. But according to the question, Arjun's age 5 years ago is equals to 5 years ago thrice of Shreya's age. Means 5 years ago Arjun's age is, we know, that is 2x minus 5, and 5 years ago 3 times of Shreya age, means that is 3 times of x minus 5. So this is the according to the question. So means you can write this as 2x minus 5, this is 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 5 which is equals to 15. So 5 3s are 15. So now see, just now again it is just separate the variables on the LHS part and RHS on the, that is constant on the RHS part. So I take on the RHS, I can solve. So 3x, so LHS I will solve, so RHS I will solve. This is 3x, this is plus 2x, I will take to this side, becomes minus 2x, this is minus 5, this is minus 5 as it is, this is minus 15, when come to the LHS becomes as plus 15. So I will write this as, so this is x, 3x minus 2x is x, 15 minus 5 is 10. By seeing the greater number we keep the sign, so x is equals to, you get this as 10. So x is equals to, is answer, we get this as x is equals to 10. Means if x is equals to 10 means this is the present age of Shreya. So present age of Shreya is x. So therefore you can write the conclusion as what? You can write the conclusion, you can write the conclusion as Shreya's age. Therefore Shreya's present age is 10 years, and Arjun's present age is, that is 2x, which is equals to 2 into 10, which is equals to 20 years. So this is the conclusion. So Shreya's present age is 10 years and Arjun's present age is 20 years. I hope so you understood these two problems of some more application of linear equation in one variable. In the next video I am going to solve the exercise number 2.4. For time being, for you take these two examples and solve and practice these two examples.